Okay, guys, we're making a random video, okay? So, it's me, Railfanning 108. We got, Crazy Hippie Joe, and, UCV Gabe.
Yeah!
Okay, so, yeah, we're chilling out at Boundbrook. Waiting to spot some trains. We got some, Conrail.
Spot airplanes, that way the trains.
Yeah, we got Conrail foreman here, and, oh, wow, look, an airplane right now. Wow, look at that.
Oh my God,
yeah,
we gotta take
right there.
pictures of it. Take pictures of the airplane.
We're just chilling at Boundbrook. We got Conrail foreman, and,
Oh yeah, water.
I don't know, 2 days ago, there's this annoying pole here, and some people put it up in flames. Thank you, God. So now we have a clear view of the whole station. So now I declare Boundbrook the best railfanning spot. UCV Gabe, do you agree?
Yeah.
And Joe, do you agree?
Yes.
Oh wait, why did I call you Gabe? I mean UCV Gabe. So yeah, we've seen 2 trains today. 214 had a BNSF.
And
212 we haven't seen that yet.
No.
And then we saw Q300. He had 2
people at 13th Street would not see.
He had 2 SC70 Max on him. And the first one, pretty nice horn too.
Yeah, pretty nice horn.
Two that we
His dad is gonna be in jail on Christmas morning.
Yeah.
What?
random things by Gabe. Sorry. And then so there's that new pole that's down, and then let's look at the sign. So what the hell is this? Oh, Gabe. Mastorado. Okay. Too bad all schedules aren't as flexible. Okay, nobody cares. Okay, if you've seen this TV show, please leave a comment.
You're not really putting this up.
We got the tripod and camera.
You're not really putting this up, are you?
And then opportunity pure and simple.
Fuck you. Fuck you. No.
No. B4, 6 out.